Hey, I'm JJ and with the Cablecast team, and we're here at NAB 2019. I'm going to show you a few new features in Cablecast 7. So, Grayson's going to drive the screen for us, and he's going to switch locations from our CTN location to our NAB location. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice in the user interface is that in the heads-up display, you'll see the output of our channel and the files and the time codes, but also previews of what's coming out of our server. So that's super cool. And if you pan over, you can see that we've got a new VIO server running there in the corner. That's the actual SDI output. And in the user interface, you'll see the corresponding previews coming through. So that's super helpful to QC your channel, make sure what is playing on the server is what you expect. These previews also come through in the force menu, so you can see the outputs of all of your video server channels. So that's awesome. The other cool thing is here, and hopefully in just a second, it'll do the squeeze back to Cablecast CG, so we can actually see the output of the CG as well as just the output of the video. So there it did the squeeze back action. You can see Cablecast CG running in the LBAR configuration on that server output. So that's super awesome. The other thing we added to make management of the video servers easier was uploading of video files in the web interface. So if we go to digital file management, now we've got an upload button. And if you click that, you can just upload new video content right onto the video server. So the old workflow, we had to move that file over with like Windows networking or some other method. But here we can upload right through the web interface, which makes it way easier. We won't upload one now, it'll take a second. The other thing we've added is if you click on a show and go to a show record, of course we've always had the thumbnail here, but Cablecast just picked the thumbnail for you, or allowed you to upload one. But here we can choose from a variety of thumbnails that Cablecast sniffed out and auto-generated. Grayson will pick one here that's more appropriate for our show. Of course, these thumbnails work in conjunction with the public website, so we want to pick one that works really well, so when people are trying to find our content, they can see it visually really easily. So these are a couple of the cool new features in Cablecast 7 that we're really stoked about. Come by our booth, or I guess our suite in the Renaissance if you're here at NAB still, or reach out to us and one of our sales team can show you these features themselves. Thanks.